I built 10 free generative AI tools in just 5 minutes without coding, and this means that I don't need any AI tools for my YouTube or TikTok automation anymore. You can also build your own AI apps like image generation tools, video generation tools, realistic audio generation, script writing, voice enhancing, and more of the best AI tools completely free. So let's get started. The first thing you need is an idea, and I made that easy for you. I gave you 10 AI tool ideas and prompts in the video description. First, copy one of those prompts. Then open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. Click the first website and it will automatically sign you in to this page. If your country is not eligible for Google AI Studio, just turn on any VPN and refresh the page. Then it will work. Now, whenever you are on this page, you should click on the 3-line menu to build your AI app. Click on Build here. After clicking Build, it will bring you to this page where you can describe your app. You will see a box that says Describe your idea. Now you need to paste or write a prompt about your app. I gave you 10 important generative AI prompts in the video description. Please go and copy one of the best ones you want, or you can also create your own prompt here. But for now, I will paste my prompt. You can copy it from the video description. I will paste my prompt about an AI voice generating app because nowadays many YouTube creators need a free AI voice that creates realistic and powerful human-like voices. So I will paste my prompt in this box. You can also copy my prompt from the video description. After pasting my prompt, I will click Build Now. Click Build under your prompt and it will bring you to a page where you can preview your app or add something new to it. You will see two options here. First is Chat and second is Preview. With the Chat option, you can add something new to your app. With the Preview option, you can see your app. So my app is creating. I will wait for a few seconds. You can see that Gemini 3 Pro is creating all the codes for us with a single prompt, and we can preview it in the preview section. So my app is ready now. I can see it in the preview section. My app works very good. I like it. You can see I can add a script here, and I can also choose any voice. It added me just 4 voices for my videos, and I can also add more voices from the chat section. But for now, let's test how it works. We can also adjust the speed of our voiceover. Whenever our script is ready, we can click Generate Audio, and it will give us a high-quality, realistic AI voiceover. So let me paste my script in the box. I will paste my script, then I will choose any voice, then I will adjust the speed. I can increase or decrease it. Then to generate our AI voice, we should click Generate Audio, and our audio will be generating. Now our AI voice is ready. You can listen to it. Welcome to Hakimi Growth. Learn YouTube growth, monetization, AI tools, social media tips, and tech tutorials, all made simple. Practical guides to grow your channel, audience, and income. Subscribe now and start your growth journey. So guys, you have listened to our AI voice. This was very great. Now let me show you how you can edit or add something new or new features to your AI app. To add new features or something new to your AI app, you should click on the chat option here. From this chat, you should tell anything you want to add. For example, I want to add Alex voice. I will tell it to add Alex voice, then click the arrow. After a few seconds, it will add Alex voice to our app, and I will click Preview here. To make sure our AI voice is added, we should click here on the 3 dots and click Reload the app. Whenever we reload the app, the Alex voice or new feature will be automatically added. So now the Alex voice is added to our app. Now I will again write my script and I will test Alex voice here. I will select Alex voice and then click Generate Audio. My audio will be ready in a few seconds. You can also listen to it.
Welcome to Hakimi Growth. Learn YouTube growth, monetization, AI tools, social media tips, and tech tutorials, all made simple. Practical guides to grow your channel, audience, and income. Subscribe now and start your growth journey.
So guys, now you have listened again to the Alex voice, and this was female Alex voice. You can also add more new features or anything you want just using a simple prompt. This was just the method of how you can do it. The important thing is how you can save your app and access it for free forever. To do that, click on the 3 dots here, then click Copy App. After we click Copy App, we should click Save. And our AI app will be saved to your Google Drive or Google Storage, and we can use it anytime. You may be wondering how we can use our copied app. To use our app that we copied, we just need to click on the 3-line menu here, and then we should click Your Apps. You will see an option like Your Apps. Click on Your Apps. Then you should click Created by You. You will see all the apps here that we created. You can use them anytime for free. Here we can use any of our created apps for free. To use it, just click on your app and it will bring you to your app. You can use it for free. Now let's create another app. I will click again on Build and then I will write my second prompt. Now let's test our second app. It will be an AI script generating app. This app will be helping you to generate all the scripts with one click and one prompt. For example, now let's try how it works. I will paste my prompt here in the box, and I will then again click on Build to build my app. After a little time, it will be loading in the preview section. After a few seconds, our app will be ready. Now you can see that our app is ready. You can see all the commands and codes are generated by Gemini 3 Pro, and we can preview it and use it for free. Now let's click on Preview and use our script generator AI. Now you can see our app is ready. We just need to add a video topic and it will generate all the script for our video. Here you can also choose script tone, like motivational or another. I will write, "Make me a story about dog life." After that, I will click the script tone, and it will give me some options like emotional story, motivational, documentary, shocking, or more. I can choose any of them. For example, I want motivational. I will click motivational, and then I will click generate. After a few seconds, our AI script will be ready. You can see our AI script has a viral headline with viral hook, script breakdown, and all the script is ready for us. We can use it for our AI video with just one click. We can also make another script or story with this app. We can also save our app. To save our app, we just need to click on the 3 dots and then click Copy App. And our app is ready. We can use our app for free to generate all the scripts with one click. Now let's test and create another app for free. Now I am again in the Builder section, and I should make a text-to-image app, because many YouTube creators or TikTok creators need to use a free app for text-to-image. The important and wonderful thing is that our app will be able to create hundreds of images for us using a reference. For example, if you want to create many images as your first image or first character, we can use it. Now I will paste my text-to-image prompt in the box, and after that, I will click Build. After a few seconds, Gemini 3 Pro will be generating all the prompts and coding for us. After a few seconds, we can preview our app. Now my app is ready, and we can try how it works. To test our app, we should know how our app works. You can describe your image, you can add a reference image of your character, you can import here as a reference. You can also select ratio. I will choose 9:16 ratio. And you can also select the style of your image. I will write a prompt to my app. And after that, I will leave the reference optional. I will choose 9:16 ratio for my image. I will click 2 outputs per prompt, and then I will click Create, and our 2 images will start generating. Now our images are ready for us. We can see how they look like. Our images are very high quality, very premium. You can see them, and you can also click the download button to download your images. Now we can download our images, high quality, very good, for free. I will also again save my app, and I can use my app anytime for free. Now we created 3 apps for free. We can also create hundreds of apps for free, but you just learned all the process. Try all the 10 prompts I gave you in the video description. You can also try all 10 prompts as you want. If I try all the prompts, the video will be longer than you think. You can also create other amazing apps like image enhancing app, video enhancing app, translator app, background remover app, subtitle generator, thumbnail creator, and many more AI apps using the same method. I recommend you to copy all the prompts and test as you want, or you can also create your own prompts for your app you want to design. Just paste your prompt to ChatGPT and it will give you more prompts as you are requesting. So this was our video. I hope you liked the video and enjoyed it. I recommend you to subscribe to our channel and stay connected. See you in the next video. Goodbye.